Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Chizaram Obanu, and this is Business Law with Zara. Today, we're going to be talking about everyday mistakes that you make as a business owner that look so little but have the potential to land you into lots of trouble legally. That is what we're going to be talking about. Before I continue, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you always get notified when I drop any video, and also like and share with your friends so that we will all learn together. So as I said earlier, we're going to be talking about everyday mistakes that you make as a business owner that has the potential to land you into trouble. The first one I'm going to be talking about is using generic agreements. Some business owners go on the internet and pick any agreement that catches their fancy and try to model it to suit whatever agreement that they want to um go into at the moment. Why? Because they do not want to pay a lawyer. That is very dangerous. If you've been doing that in the previous years, know that you have to stop now if you want your business to grow. As a business owner, I know that you have potential to grow your business, but if you keep going to pick generic agreements from the internet, it would lead you into trouble that will stall your business growth. For some other people, they may get a lawyer the first time to draft an agreement for them, and subsequently they'll go and use that same agreement and model it into several other agreements, not realizing that every agreement has some specific clauses that is tailor-made for that agreement. So if that is you, better desist from doing such, because that spells trouble legally. This leads me to the second one, which is sharing confidential information without signing a non-disclosure agreement. As a business owner, you have some things that are confidential to your business. It could be the way that you market your product. It could be the way you prepare your product. It might be a recipe. Those things are personal information, private information that you should not share with anyone at all without signing an NDA. So if you're in the habit of just throwing out information out there with your employees and everybody that you come in contact with without getting them to sign, you have to stop that. And the beauty of a non-disclosure agreement is that while, for instance, if it is for your staff, while they are working with you, they cannot disclose that information to anyone. And even after they stop working with you, that information remains confidential. So if you're a business owner and you don't have any non-disclosure agreement in place, please get a lawyer to draft one for you today as a matter of urgency, because that is going to protect your business. As a business owner, you know that you need to pay your tax as a good citizen of Nigeria. So tax payment is a non-negotiable. If you're in the habit of not paying your tax, please start paying your tax from today. Find out the taxes that are paid in the area of your business and ensure that you pay your tax as and when due. It is not just pay your tax, pay as and when due, because if you don't pay as and when due, you're going to end up paying penalties. And sometimes the penalties are even way bigger than the regular taxes if you paid when you were supposed to pay. So start paying your taxes. Now, that also leads me to annual returns. Annual returns is actually not a tax, but it is a payment that you make annually to the Corporate Affairs Commission that shows that your business is in existence. So if you haven't been filing your annual returns, start filing today, pay the backlog, and make sure that you don't default anymore. Now, as a business owner, some people don't even have records at all. You don't have record of anything that transpires in your organization. You don't have financial records. You just wake up in the morning, do business. You don't have, some people don't even have corporate accounts for their business. That is very dangerous as a business owner, because as you grow in your business, a time would come when you need to do a business audit to even know whether your business is moving forward or whether you're stuck in a particular place. And without your records, without your books, that would never be possible, because it is with the records that the auditors will be able to do a health check on your business. So ensure that your books are up to date, your records are up to date, your invoices, your bank accounts, all your transactions. Make sure that everything is recorded. And finally, ensure that you comply with the data protection laws of Nigeria. Laws have been put in place to ensure that you protect the data of your customers. If you're running a business that requires you to collect the data of your clients, ensure that you abide by these laws and protect the data of your client, because if you don't do that, you're also setting yourself and your business up for trouble In my next video, I'm going to talk about the other little things that you do, the other everyday things that you do that have the potential of damaging your business. So, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. This is Dr. Chizaram Obana signing out.